at Rolling Acres Farm. Let's take a quick tour.
Make sure when you come to Rolling Acres Farm to check out the newly opened cafe. We're out here on the front porch rockers.
Check out these huge pumpkins behind us. Hey, Mr. Winkler, I got a question. Is the inside of this white pumpkin the same as the orange one?
No, it's white.
We don't want you to say mum's the word on these mums.
Check out the animals that are in the petting zoo here at Rolling Acres. I've never been this close to a live turkey, sheep, or pig before.
Stacy, you know these aren't real.
Really?
Every bunny loves to come to Rolling Acres Farm. Look, another photo station.
Look, we found another one. I wish I could ride the zip line at Rolling Acres, but it says kids only.
Look, there's a barrel roll. We're having barrels of fun.
Hey everyone, make sure you check out the hayride here at Rolling Acres Farm. Look everyone, I'm riding the train.
Another selfie station. Sometimes it's just nice to sit and relax here at Rolling Acres Farm. Hey, I bet you I can beat you in the corn maze.
No. Make sure that you guys check out Rolling Acres Farm and their brand new cafe.
And don't forget to check out all the details on their Facebook page.